Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Hue, Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there. And we got lots to talk about. We got, 6 reasons why I think this bull run is not over. And we're going to talk about that. Some really good on-chain data that's showing that, this bull run is not over by any stretch of the imagination. We're seeing that all the macro indicators are looking very bullish and very supportive of the crypto industry and crypto space. And with these 6 indicators and 6 reasons why I think that Bitcoin is going to go up, we're going to see Dogecoin, we're going to see Shiba Inu going to the moon, guys. And it's just a matter of time, guys. We got to also HSBC and IBM. Looks like they're creating a CBDC demo that they're going to be going around and convincing nation states and countries to get on the bandwagon and create CBDC. Also, we got Paul Rowell in the house, guys, and he's creating a new fund, and he's really believing that crypto is here to stay, and he's a crypto maxi and all that. And then we had the angry granny in the house, Warren, who was saying yesterday that cryptocurrency is evil and it's a threat to the world economy. So guys, have to stay tuned to that, and you can see how the Fed right now they're really panicking right now, and so things are looking pretty good. We had Jerome Powell conclude that meeting, and basically they're confirming that they're going to be increasing interest rates. So that's over. So hopefully we should see things rebound. But unfortunately, we see that we had this whole news from Russia that Russia has decided that they're going to start banning or want to ban crypto. So that's one of the reasons why we saw the the markets going down right now. And we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin right now is trading around about 47,800, and that's slightly down. We're seeing that Ethereum is now under $4,000. So that is not a good place to be, and it's at around 3,967. We're seeing that Solana right now has also come down. It's at $176 in the house, guys. So that's not looking good. We're seeing that ADA is down, and we're also seeing that DOT is down slightly, and Avalanche, and also we're seeing that Doge is at 17.5, and Shiba Inu is at 34 cents. So things are looking pretty bit mixed right now. But I wouldn't worry too much, and I think that crypto is going to be going up. We're going to see Shiba Inu and Doge go up, but what's really holding them back is that we're waiting for Bitcoin to confirm a breakout. And I'm going to show you 6 reasons that I believe that Bitcoin is going to break out, guys. And keep in mind that Shiba Inu and Doge are forming a descending triangle, and that's really a continuation pattern. And we're going to see that unless Bitcoin breaks out very shortly, we're going to see a continuation of things either going A, sideways, or B, going down. And that's just what a continuation pattern is. So if that sounds interesting and that sounds great, guys, this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, woo, in the house. Remember, this video is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just providing education and entertainment. So if that sounds fantastic and that sounds interesting, let's jump into the content without any further delay. Let's get it. Woo! Wow, let's jump into the content, guys. We got a great show for you. Remember, if this sounds interesting, keep watching to the end, guys. You know you want it. I want it. Let's get it, guys. Let's dive in. Whoo, man, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, comment as always, guys. Woo! This is OG in the house. I'm all fired up, guys. It's a great time to be alive, guys. And don't forget to go and check out the merch. Hey, and yesterday it looks like the broader markets were down, Debbie Downer. And that was, I think, is much of a result of the Russia banning crypto news I talked about in the intro, guys. And we're going to talk about some news. We're going to talk about some huge catalysts, some 6 reasons why I think that the crypto market's going to go up. I'm going to see Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin going up because, as I said in the intro, we need Bitcoin to take off. When Bitcoin takes off, boom, we're going to see all of the cryptos going up, guys. So don't panic. I don't think this is the end of the bull run. There is evidence, fundamental evidence that says that the bull run is not over, and we're going up to the moon, guys, and it's going to be a huge moonshot. And guys, I know things are looking pretty Debbie Downer right now because the markets are slightly down, almost about 1.5%, 2%. Don't worry about it, guys. Remember, we're entering into the weekend soon here, so I think that we could see a bit of a weekend blast off, guys. So things are looking pretty cool, guys. And don't forget, we got the CME futures that are going to be opening soon, so that could push down Bitcoin on Friday in America. So after that, we could see an upside coming on the weekend, guys. So don't panic, guys. So you could expect a little bit of volatility as we enter into the Friday CME futures contract, guys. So this is Paul Rowell, and he's saying that he's doubling down on crypto, launches new digital asset fund to stay in trade for years. So what Paul is doing is he's basically telling that all of his Twitter followers that any of cash he has on hand, he's moving it into crypto, guys, and he has not been taking any profits. And he believes that and he keeps saying here, I keep adding to my bet when I have cash, and I have switched around within digital assets. So he's switching stuff around of his digital assets, but he's not selling, he's not taking profits, and he says I will allocate to that fund for my core position as the space gets more complex and hard. But I will take some life expenses. He's saying that he's going to take some life expenses off the table when he sees big moves, and that's also important, guys. You have to learn when to take profits, know how to take profits, guys. But he's also saying that he's debt free right now, and with all of his cash being in crypto, he is relying on a separate income to meet his day-to-day expenses. So he's really crypto maxi, guys. And if Paul Rao is still aping into crypto, still dollar cost averaging into crypto, and he's one of the huge diamond handlers, you should be assured that crypto is not going down, guys. Crypto is going to go up. And I believe that this super cycle, normally the crypto cycle is 4 years, guys. We have three bad years, and then 1 year it was fantastic. I believe that we're going to break this cycle, and it's not going to be 3 years of bad, 1 year of good, and then go back to the bear market. I believe that this is going to be the continuation, and we're going to absolutely see that this bull run is going to extend, and maybe we could start to see 2 years of good and 2 years of bad, guys. Let's see, is this going to be the year, the catalyst, because all the institutions have aped in, that we're going to break this 4-year cycle, and it's going to be fundamentally changed, it's going to be fundamentally different? Or are cryptos just going to slowly go up, forever, like the stock market, guys? So that's amazing news. Also, we got some other news coming in right now. Looks like HSBC and IBM, they're collaborating to create successful multi-ledger CBDC demo. And so on Thursday, HSBC and IBM announced the successful test of an advanced token on a digital wallet settlement between two central bank digital currencies or CBDCs in a cloud environment. This experiment consisted of between two CBDs, e-bonds and forex, IBM's Hyperledger Fabric and enterprise technology provider R3's Codra served as the basis for distributed ledger facilitating the transaction. So basically, HSBC, IBM, they're working in partnership to create CBDCs, create a demo model that they can go out and they can talk to, nation states and say, look, this is the framework, this is the interoperability of this. So this is really huge, guys, because as nation states build and develop and deploy their CBDCs, it's going to allow, the plain Janes and the plain Jane Joes who know nothing about cryptocurrency, because they're going to be exposed to CBDC and using digital wallets, then the next evolution is getting into crypto. So this could bring more liquidity into the market, guys. So this is huge news. You should be excited. Woo! Stay tuned, guys. We're going to be talking about the 6 catalysts that prove to me and prove to you, if you're watching, that this is not the end of the bull run. And if you are watching, don't forget to give a live stream right now, guys. Do it. And don't forget, I'm tapping you on the head. Go down there, like this video, subscribe, BYB, and comment. As always, guys, what are you waiting for? You're waiting for Christmas? Come on, I'm not going to wait 2 weeks. Get it, guys. So the last piece of news that's coming in right now, we all talked about that, Dogecoin blockchain marks the first ever NFT minting. And I did talk about this in a previous video, and a lot of people really don't think this is important, but I need to rehash, and all the Dogecoin lovers, the Dogecoin army, and the Dogecoin maxis like me, you need to know that this is a fundamental, huge news. It's never been done. It's absolutely never been done, but we had an NFT minted on the Dogecoin blockchain. So this is huge, guys. It's absolutely huge. I believe that the devs are now just, going through the proof of work and proof of concept for this, and then it's going to be rolled out to the Joe public. And it's not difficult. I looked at the code and I looked at how it was done. It's not complicated, and I think they're going to roll out, how to do it. And we could see NFTs coming out on the Dogecoin blockchain in mass soon, and the cost is super cheap, guys, super duper cheap. So let's jump into the reasons why I believe that Bitcoin is absolutely set up to go huge to the moon. And when Bitcoin goes up, we're going to see the Doge, we're going to see the Shiba Inu, and we're going to see all the other altcoins fly to the moon, guys. So you can see here that, the bottom structure on RSI, and so we can see that in previous cycles, we can see that we had this momentum indicator. I talked about that yesterday. And as the momentum indicator hits bottom, this often signals an explosive move for Bitcoin. We're also seeing the same for the RSI. When we see the RSI Let me get this out of here. So when we see the RSI also go to the bottom here and here, it often signals a huge breakout to the upside for Bitcoin. And we're seeing that right now, guys, that the RSI indicator for Bitcoin right now is at its low, at a low point, and it's about to break out, and it's about to confirm a breakout. And when this happens, Bitcoin often has a breakout. We talked about momentum indicator. Same story, guys. So some other news that's coming out, some other huge news as well. And if you look at this, experienced market participant profit taken. So you can see here in the past that when Bitcoin goes down to this bottom channel here, near market bottom here, often what follows is a huge explosion, and then we start to hit the local tops here. So you can see right now that Bitcoin right now is at a local bottom. It's near market bottom. And what happens when Bitcoin hits a market bottom? You're going to see that Bitcoin has no other option but to break to the upside. And we're seeing this time and time again. We saw this here, and then we had an explosion. We saw it again here. We saw it here in October, and then we saw it here. And this just confirms that we're going to start to see this Bitcoin breaking out again. So, guys, more indication, more evidence, more reasons why Bitcoin is going to go to the moon. And when that happens, we're going to see the Doge. We're going to see the altcoins absolutely break out to the moon, guys. So this is from Andy Jack, and he's saying it looks like Bitcoin is on the verge of a potential reversal, looking at the daily RSI resistance, breaking resistance of lower highs. So we're seeing, more evidence. We can see the RSI right now. It's breaking the resistance. And every time this happens in the past, we can see that Bitcoin breaks to the upside. So we're seeing that right now, again, another matrix is saying, and another TA analyst is saying that Bitcoin is going to break to the upside. So I believe that this is another confirmation, another reason why Biddy is about to break to the upside. If we talk about the amount of people hodling, you can see that the amount of people hodling now has actually increased now up to 56%. Long-term holders are severely reducing the supply, which puts upward pressure on the price. So we can see right now that the amount of hodlers right now is at 56%. And typically when the amount of hodling increases like this, it puts a supply shock, and that increases and puts pressure on the biddy to go up. And this is more and more evidence right now that Bitcoin is going to go up because we have supply shock, and this is going to put pressure on the price, and it can do nothing except move to the upside. So this is another evidence of Bitcoin going to the moon, guys. So here's another fact right here, guys. What I'm watching, check out the last four Scholastic RSI, 14 bottoms since 2019. So you can see every time the Stochastic RSI hits the bottom in 20, all the way back to 2020, we often have an explosive move to the upside. And once again, we're seeing the same thing. On the Stochastic RSI, we're seeing that in 2022, we're about to hit bottom. And when that happens, we are going to have a huge moonshot to the upside, and we're near number 5 now, so it's going to be going up, guys. So here's more evidence that things are going to go up. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. And then right now we're seeing the Bitcoin price right now is at 47,980. It's dropped slightly since yesterday, and that was due to the Russia banning crypto news that was circulating, created some FUD, a little bit of fear, a little bit of pressure. But we also have the CME coming out right now, so that is also another reason. If we look at Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour, we can see that we have this descending triangle, which is really a continuation pattern. And typically the continuation pattern are typically bearish, and it's going to continue to go in this pattern. But I believe we're going to have a breakout soon, and we're still pretty much range bound right now between 47 and 49.7 or 50,000. So we're just range bound. I think that this weekend, I think we're going to see some huge moves in Bitcoin. We're going to see a lot of green this weekend. I believe it. Let's take a look at the Doge right now. Doge is at 1749, and it's just going sideways right now. And if we look at the Shiba Weeby right now, we can see that Shiba Weeby is also down, and right now it's doing exactly what it's been doing since the 4th of December. It's going sideways. We need a Bitcoin breakout, Bitcoin confirmation to see anything happening. So you can also see Doge on the 4-hour. Once again, it's following this continuation pattern, this descending triangle, which is a huge continuation pattern, and this is typically going to follow the to the downside, and we just need some catalyst to break out of this downward trend, else we could be going down, guys. So we need Bitcoin to break out, guys. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Let me just give this a minute to refresh in the house, guys. So it's a great day here. It's a great day to be alive. So right now we're at 23, and yesterday we were at 29. So we've dropped a little bit, and that has to do with this whole Russia FUD that circulated right now. So I wouldn't pay much attention to it. That's going to wash out very soon, guys. We're seeing Ethereum right now is just below 4,000 again. It's really just gingerly below 4,000. So I believe that we're going to see Ethereum just trade sideways around this level all day. And then the weekend we should get some upward momentum. We're seeing that Solana as well is now at 180. It's still looking positive, but it did break down from yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was at 191. So we broke down from that. And at least we broke out of this downward continuation pattern, or this descending triangle, and we broke out to the upside. So I think that we're going to be following this upward channel all the way up to $200 pretty soon. If we take a look at Matic right now in the house, Matic is doing pretty much the same. We see this, a pretty much upward channel for Matic, and Matic is looking huge right now. And we're continue. I think we're going to continue up to this side, and I think that we're going to see about $2.60 coming in. So Matic is looking okay right now, and Matic is still painting some green, considering that the total markets are down right now. So this is pretty huge news in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. Give us a minty refresh. We can see the total market cap right now is down 1.4%, and right now we're still at a 68% profit. This is not financial advice, and right now we've lost about 2% today. So if we take a look at the total market cap right now, you can see that the total market cap has dropped. It was at 232 trillion. Yesterday it's dropped to 2.28 trillion, and now the volumes are at 72.37, and the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So that is good for the altcoins, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. Follow. Do it right now, guys. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Join the cool club. We got 3,467 followers. Go down there, smash the likes, comment. Don't forget to give a super chat, guys. Don't forget to check out the merch. You want to love it. Get the merch, guys. Get the merch, and don't forget to check out the Wifey channel. Go up and over there, subscribe. Check out the Christmas videos. You're gonna love it, guys. And I just want to say God bless each and every one, and God bless you all. Merry Christmas. Woo! This is Ric Flair of Crypto. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it right now. Woo!